Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for joining me in my unboxings today. So before we get started, I just want to remind you that we have giveaways ending super soon. So if you have not yet entered my giveaways, the links will be down in the description box. So today we are opening the June Tassy box. So this comes from the Philippines, so that's how I know what's in this bag. So if you do not know what this is the second time I've received this. This is like a handmade bracelet subscription. It's super awesome. It's $18 a month with free shipping around the world, but I do have a code to save you $2. So of course the link and the code will be down below as always. But yeah, let's get into it. So as I was saying, each box contains 3 handcrafted bracelets and they have a value of around $45, and each month has a theme. And they said that you can like mix and match your bracelets from each month, so they should be able to coordinate. So I'm really excited to see what we got this month. This is what the box looks like. Super cute. I was actually watching another unboxing video recently and I saw someone got something from Weave Tassy in that box. I was like, I know them, they have the Tassy box. So that was exciting to see for them. Alright, so when I open it, this is what I see. This is like the cutest little box. And they have like little paper to fit inside too, and it's on this like little pin. How cute. So the first one says Tassy box. I think the print of this paper is just so cute and very like summery, gets you in the mood. So it says, hi there, not in that kind of mood. That sounded weird. I meant like in the summer vibe. But anyways, hi there, your Tassy box is finally here. Thank you for joining the team. Don't forget to tag us at Weave Tassy Co. and hashtag Weave Tassy, Tassy Style, and Team Tassy. Awesome. And it looks like there is a 20% off code for their Etsy shop, which is super cool. There's the card. And then looks like the theme for the June stack, so they call their set of bracelet stacks because you can stack them and wear them together, is Tropical Boho. 3 handmade bracelets, pink, green, and teal. It's tropical and it's boho. Oh, what a fine steel. Awesome, those are like my favorite colors. And it says handmade in the Philippines, and then it gives a little bit of information on these. It looks like this box includes 2 new styles for their collection, so that's super cool. So I will keep this near me to refer to. If you can't read that, don't worry, I will read it out loud shortly. And then, oh yeah, last time I wasn't sure if I was saying it right. I think I am. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. And if you already corrected me, sorry. I must have missed that. But it says, what is Tassy? It's a fun, colorful piece of 100% handcrafted jewelry made by Weave Tassy Co. Relating to Team Tassy. Awesome people with great taste who love supporting the handmade community. Relating to Tassy box, the best box ever. So I think it's cute how they have these smaller cards. Less paper waste and everything. And last month we got some stickers, and it looks like we get some this month too, and these are so cute. Here is a leaf one, like a palm leaf. I love that one. It's like gold and green. Cool. The next one says Tropical Rainforest, and it's a pineapple. I love that. And here is a beautiful flower. I love that too. These are like the prettiest stickers ever. And then the bracelets are inside, wrapped up nicely, so I am going to open it. Let's see what we got. So the first one I see looks like this. This is one you like tie. Oh my god, I used to like making things like this, but I didn't make it this advanced. So you can see it's like thicker in the middle. This is totally summer vibes to me, like being on the beach. So this must be the woven bracelet. It says tie around woven bracelet made with soft cotton threads. I think this is so cute. I would be able to make just like the regular one when I was younger, but not one like when it got thicker. I don't know. I haven't tried it forever, but this is so pretty. Totally reminds me of summer. Oh my gosh, I love this. Super cute. And then the next up, this is like a bar bracelet, I think they call it. So yeah, this is a leaf charm bracelet. So I like this one. We got one that had like a bar, I think that's how you call it, in the last box, but this one has a little leaf on the bottom. I think that is super pretty. I love leaf stuff, and I love the teal. This is so pretty. And then last but not least, this is another new style. This is the acrylic ring bracelet. I guess I should read the leaf charm bracelet first. Sorry. It says adjustable bracelet in solid pine with the gold monstera leaf charm. And then this bracelet right here is the acrylic ring bracelet. It says adjustable woven bracelet with a tropical pattern acrylic ring. It is very tropical. I love this. Actually, I think this one's actually my favorite. You know, I'm so bad at picking favorites. Let's see if I can get this on. I like how these are adjustable, so if you're like me and you're alone a lot of the time, you can actually get these on. You don't have to actually be tied. Like one of them has to be tied, but not the other two. So yeah, there, got enough. I think this is super cute. Let me get the other one that I can put on myself. The other one I'll need someone to help me tie it on probably, or I'll do it off camera because you guys don't want to see me sit here and struggle, or do you, mean people? It's good. Oh yeah, I love these ones together. Super cute, super summery. I really like the whole vibe this month. So we got the 3 bracelets, 2 Yvonne, and then this one. I like them all this month. Super cute. The little extra stickers, adorable. Yeah. That is everything for this box. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will leave the link, the promo code, all my giveaways, all that good stuff down below. Gosh, I'm really feeling like summer now. It's been hot here, but like now that it's getting warm everywhere else and everyone's like in better moods, do you guys feel that? Like people are more happy in the summer? I don't know. But anyways, I hope you guys are happy and loving life. I will see you in my next video. Bye.